Hi everybody, welcome to my Facebook page. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so I've got the question with me here. We need to find the value of x. We've been given 9 power x minus 3 power x is equal to a 2. So how do we get to find the value of x in this case? We apply the laws of indices here. We know of course that we can write this as a 3 power 2 and x right here. Minus 3 power x is equal to a 2. So we've just applied the laws of indices right here. Of course, everybody knows that 3 power 2 is equal to a 9. So the laws of indices, when you've got power to power, you multiply the powers. So this will simply give us a 3 power 2x minus 3 power x is equal to a 2. So this is what we have right here. So now, at this point, the powers can switch. You know that powers can switch because this is what we call commutative. When you've got a power b c, these can be written as a power c b. These two can switch because it's a chord commutative. You're multiplying, so you can switch the powers. It's fine. So this is what we're going to do right at this point. So it will give us 3 power x multiplied by a 2 minus 3 power x is equal to a 2. So now from this point, we can let. So we shall say let m, any let of your choice, m is equal to 3 power x, okay? You see, we've got the common term or common element at this point and this point. So we just get any letter of our choice. If you want, you can let y is equal to what is here or m, whichever letter. So me, I'm letting m be equal to what is right here. Therefore, we're going to have an equation that will look like this. M power 2 minus m is equal to a 2. You see what we have? When you get this m, you substitute it right here and here. This is what you're going to get. So now from this stage, we can solve, or we have to solve this quadratic equation. So we're going to say m power 2 minus m minus a 2 is equal to a 0. I've just put it in standard form by simply adding or subtracting negative 2 from both sides. And this is what we have. So from this stage, we're going to say m open bracket close, m open close is equal to 0. Okay? So we think of two numbers such that when we multiply them, they give us negative 2, and when we add them, they give us a negative 1. So those two numbers are negative 2 and a 1. Because when we multiply these two numbers, we're getting a negative 2. And when we add them, we're getting a negative 1. So we shall say m minus 2 is equal to 0, or m plus a 1 is also equal to 0. Therefore, we can say m is equal to a 2. From this, we add 2 to both sides. You see this equation, or we solve this equation. We're getting m equal to 2. Here, m is equal to a negative 1. So we've gotten two m solutions. So now out of these two solutions, we'll just focus on m is equal to 2, the positive solution. This is because at this point where we said let, you see, we are required to use logarithms to solve for x. And we don't, or there's no solution for log of a negative value. So we are not going to get this value which has got a negative sign. We'll focus on this other one. So we're going to say at this point, you remember this point, we're going to say m is equal to 3 power x. At this point where we let m be equal to 3 power x. And where there is m, we substitute a 2 because we know that the value of m is equal to 2. And this is how it will look like. Now to solve for x, we're going to apply ln both sides. So this will be ln of 2 is equal to x ln over 3. Divide by ln of 3 by ln of 3. So the ln and the ln will give us a 1 there. So the value of x in this case will just be equal to ln of 2 over ln over 3. This is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section below and share the video. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.